She was using her own urine to cook our food, and we found out too late.
This stew is famous for a reason.
I can taste why.
Truly delicious.
Blessing. This your stew sweet like heaven, oh.
Now small blessing from God and small one from me. Make una chop well.
Every time I eat here, I forget my husband's wahala.
These two, they always get one kind taste, sha.
You go still come back tomorrow, no worry.
I came back for my wallet. But what I saw, I wish I didn't.
Just small. You go sweet well tonight. Them go lick plate today.
Oh boy, you know they chop again. You dey sick.
I saw something last night. Blessing, she used her urine to cook the stew.
Which kind life be that? Emmanuel, you dey mad?
I swear, I saw her. I dey tell you now. She squatted and peed into a bowl, then put her inside the stew. Blessing! People say you dey use urine cook food. Speak now.
What is the meaning of this?
Calm down, everyone. Let's hear what she has to say.
And so, una dey complain now after una don chop for years.
Abomination.
You wicked woman.
So nappy with the leak since.
Your mouth no kill you. I give una food. Nobody die.
Shit. She ran and never came back. Her shop burned that same night. Some say she used juju. I just keep asking myself, how many bowls of her urine did I eat?